On Wednesday, May 28 po, bubukas po sa yung mga paboritong theaters, Caregiver, all over the Philippines po. But sa May 27, we'll have a premiere sa SM Mega Mall 10. This is also where Madrasta premiered. It was the first ever movie to premiere in the mall.
Yes, yes.
So we'll be there again po sa May 27. For May 28 po, ay showing na po sa favorite theaters nyo. I hope po abangan nyo. Birthday ni Sasha yun eh. Baka that means something. Yeah. And kasama ko po syempre silang tatlo.
Actually, kasama din po natin, Sharon, are all the artists who have been a part of Star Cinema.
Wow! Naman! Hey, John! May miss na yung England. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all, of all of us here at ASAP, OA, pati na rin yung mga directors, the production crew, all of those, we just want to congratulate Star Cinema for 15 years of nothing but quality movies given to people who deserve quality movies. That's all of you.
Happy 15th anniversary, Tita Malu, Tita Char, Inang Olive Lamasan, I love you now. Always praying for you, thinking of you. Richard Gomez, nakasama ko sa Minso Minahal. Tita Madrasta, kasama ko si Jaja, si Boyet, si Camille, maliit pa siya. Grabe, thank you very much. At ngayon nga po, si Aga pala, ibuhan ko na lang sana. Siyempre, and Direct Joey Reyes, tapos ngayon naman kami with Direct Chito Ronyo, si John Manalo, si Makisig, si Aaron, thank you mga kasama ko sa Caregiver.
Tell us about your experience naman shooting the film with Direct Chito.
Ako pa star kasi, kahit they take their time sa pre-production, di ba? Sometimes ang tagal bago mag-start yung shooting kasi gusto nila i-ensure yung as much as possible, yung in other words, parang kasado na.
Yes.
Ready, tapos parang walang palya. And they have to make revisions in the middle of filming. Gagawin nila kahit gumastos uli, may kailangan ulitin.
Kumbaga, hindi pwede yung
half-baked, pwede yung to start. Yes. Like yung...
I invite you to come right back because we still got more. Just right here on ASAP OA. Hey!
Okay, sa gitna po. Design na lang ng damit, modeling, show. Aroy, Diyos ko, Marimar. Dapat kanina lumabas, na-expose naman yung damit nila. Nag-beef pa kayo.